Huh. Man, I tell you, man, this is the worst day to get a damn flat. This is not cool right here, man. This is not cool right here. All that damn mud. Man, this is going to be a slip slop. And I already got a flat on my damn right side tire. Man, this just ain't no good at all, period. Man, then still in my old loader. Got my little crackers. My little old Bluetooth right there. That's about it. Oh, still got my old time magnets right there. Boy, I tell you, Mario, he's sitting up in the truck just chilling. That's about it. Boy, y'all, it is mighty, mighty dark out here. I ain't even think it was supposed to be raining today. It's alright. It's alright. Don't nothing change. Everything stays the same. Still gonna do the crushing, baby. I hated that these damn bumpers are sticking out a mile long. Go down, Mario, go down. Down, 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 down. Go down, go down. Go down, 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 Mario. Why are you stopping? I don't understand that. See, y'all, this is why I like to have my controller. It's my crush. I can control it when I want to. Mario, sometimes he don't really pay attention to me when he's crushing the cars. He just put his head down and just pull the levers down. He don't pay attention. And this horn on this loader here does not work all that great. Man, it really is pretty dark for real. Oh, man. Go ahead and get ourselves a quick bag and tag, baby. Let me catch one of those real quick live. If you hold on, Mario, I can pull it out with the loader. See, he gave up on it. I told him, I'll pull it out with the loader, man. Raindrops. Come on, Mario, let's crush this right quick. I'm trying to hurry up and get him out the rain right quick. It's starting to blow now, for real. I don't know why he didn't bring his rain suit today. You can never predict this damn Texas weather, man. You can never predict Texas weather. Never. There's no way in hell to predict Texas weather. Because you get all 7 seasons in one goddamn week. Somebody tell me that I'm lying. Somebody tell me that I'm lying. So, I get out I go down here to help Mario, because I tell Mario, hey, go get your raincoat, man. So he go get his raincoat. I jump out the loader, I go wrap the bundle. Soon as I started wrapping the bundle, man, that rain came down so damn hard on me, y'all. I am soaked and wet. Then on top of that, I'm about to turn the AC on too. Boy, I'm about to freeze my little black ass up out this loader real quick, for real. Oh, God damn, man. Woo, these are the days, man, that you really have fun sometimes, you know what I mean? These are the days right here. Man. Woo. I gotta put this defrost on. Man. Come on now. Shit, hurry up and set you down quick. Put this stuff on. I got to that, man. Yeah, man, the defrost for this damn loader right here sucks ass now. I barely got this window just to defog itself. I gotta turn everything up on high, then put it on the high side, the hot as I can get it in order for it to defrost. Man, come on now, man. Come off in here starting to sweat like a damn meat turkey. Man. Then the windshield wipers, they suck ass too. Be honest with y'all, man, I'm glad I had got me a new loader. Be honest with you guys. Got another old Crustang going on up to the upper room status, baby. Got a hole in it. Boy, this bad pin on this loader here making it run rough. Well, I wouldn't say run rough, but you know, drive rough. Water puddles finna start forming up everywhere. So sometimes it's not good to crush on this dirt sometime here. You know what? I'm still waiting on the damn Tire Man to get here too also. I'm still waiting on him to get here. I mean, I got some plugs up off in here. These plugs, man, they ain't gonna last. They're not gonna last long at all. Damn window trying to fog up again, man. Boy. Seems like it's just one of those days. Mondays is just not my days, y'all. Just not my days. I could put another car in this bundle, but I'm not. I think 4 should be good enough for this one right here. I don't think I need to put no more than what I got. another bag and tag. I was gonna put that boat off in there, but nah, I didn't feel like being tortured by a bunch of fiberglass. I can't even see out this damn back glass. Can't even see out the 2 door glasses. Old dumpster Dodge. That's what we at. Mario, y'all, you put this little old bitty mini-me little shirt on, this little yellow one, look at him. Everything else is still well. I said, Mario, why didn't you put the big one on, the big long one? No. I'm like, Mario, come on now, man. Come on, man. You know, that's all right. My face is only wet. It's okay. All right, then, man. What it is, what it is. I mean, however he wants to work, that's how I let him do it. Simple as that. Man, that was a close one right there. Y'all probably didn't even see that, but there was another loader right there behind me. But like I said, I can't see out the damn back window. Can't see nothing out the back window. Everything is so slippery now. The loader just goes the way it wants to go now. But like you say, slippery and wet. Yes, sir. All right, Mario. All right. Damn, I cannot see out of none of these windows at all. All right. All right, y'all, man. That's gonna be it on this run right here. That is gonna be it. I'll get back with y'all later.